Hello friends, today I will discuss Sun in the 4th house in Aries ascendant. As you can see in the board, number 1 is written in the 1st house, which is the Aries sign. Sun is placed in the 4th house and Sun is the lord of the 5th house, where number 5 is written, which is the sign Leo. The 4th house, as you know, represents our mother, our property, house, vehicles and comforts at home. We know that Sun is a hot planet. In case Sun is very strong in the 4th house, then it will create issues for the people who are connected to the 4th house. That is, it may create problems for the mother or with the mother. The mother may have problems related to heat generated by the Sun, that is problems of acidity or bone related issues or issues in the eyes. However, the nature of the mother will be like the Sun, and it could be that the mother is the leader in the house. Everyone follows what the mother has to say. The next issue is that a Sun is a hot planet, and therefore the person may get into arguments with his mother or with his father and other members in his family, in his household, because of this nature. So therefore, in the horoscope, if Sun is in the 4th house, it is always advisable for the person to maintain very good relations with his parents. He must serve his mother and father. Doing this will make the Sun give better results in his horoscope and bring in a lot of property and wealth to him. During the period when Sun is active, the person is likely to purchase a property, a house, a factory, and the property that he purchases, for example, the house that he purchases, will have a lot of light inside it. Similarly, in case he buys a vehicle during this period, the vehicle also will be quite regal looking and will be lit up, will have good light inside, or it could be an open vehicle also. With Sun in the 4th house, a person always tries to earn a lot of property and wealth and tries to leave a lot of wealth and property for his children. The children will always benefit if their father has got Sun in the 4th house. The children will be given a lot of property in inheritance by the person. The important point to note here is that with Sun in the 4th house, the person must maintain good relations with all his family members, especially his parents, if he wants to attain a lot of wealth and property. The 4th house is the second house from the 3rd house, which indicates that the person's younger brother will earn his wages or his money from job which involves short travels or maybe lot of travels, from where he comes back home overnight. But during the course of his job or his profession, he may have to travel. In case during the period of Sun, there is an Antardasha of any planet which controls houses 8 and 12. This will mean that the person will discharge his debts or he will repay his loans during this period. A person having Sun in the 4th house will also have connections with political people or with political parties, and he himself may be involved in political work because Sun is the significator of the government. The 5th house is the house of our love affairs, and the 4th house is the 12th house to the 5th house. Therefore, during the period of Sun, the person will have a love affair and he will also have a breakup. For all those having Sun in the 4th house, you must remember to maintain very good relations with your father and mother so that Sun becomes better in your horoscope and Sun gives a lot of property and wealth to you. That's all for now. Thank you.